High above the noise of the world lies Ladakh, a land where silence feels sacred, and every horizon looks like a scene from an epic film. Cradled within the mighty Himalayas, the landscape unfolds in dramatic contrasts. Golden mountains carved by ancient winds, endless blue skies stretching into eternity, and roads that twist like destiny itself. The air is thin, the light is sharp. Frame feels cinematic, as if nature itself is directing a grand story of solitude and adventure. In Leh, prayer flags flutter against stark cliffs, while monasteries watch silently over the valley. Glowing under sunrise hues of amber and crimson, each turn reveals a new spectacle. Rugged deserts meeting snow-covered peaks, shadows racing across vast valleys like moving brushstrokes. The surreal blues of Pangong Lake shimmer like liquid sapphire, changing colors with every passing cloud. While the cold desert beauty of Nubra Valley brings dunes, double-humped camels, and moonlight terrain into a single breathtaking frame. Reminding every traveler that this is not just a destination. It is an experience, raw, powerful, and unforgettable, like the final scene of an epic film.